kang inaakay, inaalalayan bawat paghakbang. Ngayon'y nakatayo sa aking mga paa. Salamat aking nanay, aking tatay. Wala akong sapat na salita, walang katumbas inyong pag-aruga. Ngayong kayo'y matanda na't nanghina, ako naman ngayon ang dapat mag-alaga. Kayo ba'y aalalayan at aka'y hindi? Pag lumuluha'y patatahanin, babantayan kung may sakit, dadampian ang nunang halik. At kapag gabi ay malamig, iyayakapin din ng mahigpit, ipapanalangin at kukumutan ng pag-ibig. Tanda ko ang hirap ninyo sa akin, puyat, pagod, lungkot ay tiniis. Hindi ko malilimutan, walang kapantay niyong pag-ibig. Huwag kayong mag-alala, sa puso't isip ko'y nakatanim. Sa aking sambahay ay padarama ko rin, walang katumbas niyong pag-ibig. Aking mga anak ay akayin din, pag lumuluha'y patatahanin, babandayan kung may sakit, dadampian ang nunang halik. At kapag gabi ay malamig, iyayakapin din ng mahigpit, ipapanalangin at kukumutan ng pag-ibig.
May hihigit pa ba sa isang katulad mo? Inang mapagmahal na totoo. Lahat ng buti ay naroon sa puso mo. Buhay man ay handang ialay mo. Ang isang anak, ika'y dakila at higit ka sa lahat. Ang awit na
the Nabua East District Teachers and Employees Association, NETEA, hereby honors and pays tribute to the life, service, and legacy of Ma'am Edlin Esermona Beletario, Master Teacher 2 of Nabua East District, a dedicated and active teacher whose unwavering commitment to education, compassion for learners, and selfless service to the teaching profession have left an enduring impact on the district and the community. Throughout her years of service, she exemplified excellence, integrity, and genuine concern for the welfare and growth of both colleagues and students. Her passion for teaching and tireless contribution to the association and the district will always be remembered and cherished. Though she may no longer be with us, her legacy continues to inspire all who had the privilege of working alongside her. Her life remains a testament to the noble calling of a teacher. This posthumous certificate of recognition is hereby awarded as a symbol of our deepest gratitude, respect, and remembrance. Signed, yours truly as the president of the NETEA. Signed, Roberto B. Briones, EDD, PSDS, Nabua East District.
Good afternoon po everyone. I am Francine K.S. Vilitario. Ako po si panganay na iging ni Mami Edlin S. Vilitario. So first of all, in behalf of my family, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to all of you for coming here and to honor and remember my mom. So, kanina po sa ngamin ko pong narangog, I would say it's really true since my mom was more than just an educator. She was a source of patience, wisdom, and kindness. To her students, she was their second mother. To her colleagues, she was a dedicated partner for doing their professions. And to us, her family, she was our greatest teacher. She taught us how to be strong in times of hardship. She taught us how to be compassionate in times of need, and faith in times of uncertainty. She was our guiding light. And now that she's gone, our lives seem so dark. Her passing feels like it took a part of us. I always ask the Lord, bakit niya agad kinuha si Mami? And I think the reason is maybe it's because mission in life is already fulfilled. I choose to trust in God's plan. Since my mom is already in hands of Jesus, I hope and pray she will be happy and she will receive eternal love and peace. To my mommy, now that you're gone, thank you sa lahat ng love, the patience, and your sacrifices na binigay mo sa amin. I hope you're happy up there. I hope there's no more pain. We miss you and we love you, and you will be forever in our hearts. For you, we will be strong. Sa inyo pong lahat, thank you po for coming here. You became a part of my mom's life. You made my mom's life very memorable. Nung kasama po kayo ng mami ko, she was very happy. She was palagi po siyang ikwento sa amin pa after nang pumasok na kung ano yung achievements niya, kung ano mga ginawa niya. And I was so happy because she was happy. She was contented. She feels accomplished. And I hope we will all remember our mom. And I hope she will be at peace now. Thank you.
ko